Congratulations! You have reached 18 years old, and from a small boy, you become a big boy. Sorry, you are not still an adult, as the legal adult age is 21 years old. Unlike your other friends who spend money like going to Cimb,
I'm in Miami, bitch.
You are thinking how to grow your wealth as an 18-year-old or even older. For this, I give you a thumbs up, and in return, you click the like and subscribe button to my channel. One of the ways to grow wealth in Singapore is through investing in the stock market. Singapore is one of the countries that does not have capital gains tax and dividends withholding tax on your Singapore shares. As such, Singapore is also an attractive tax savings haven for overseas investors aside from being a safe country. To start your trading journey in the Singapore stocks market, you need to have a brokerage account, or we call it a trading account, in order for you to execute your trades. And nowadays, you can open the trading account via online. In order for you to open your trading account, you need to be at least 18 years old, not a bankruptcy, and not a US citizen or resident. I have provided the following securities account opening link in the description box, and with the following documents required by the respective securities broker, you are good to open your trading account. Now, we come to the important part, which is the account type. Typically, there are two account types, which are what we call custodian account and cash management account. Hold on, I thought still got one more type. Yes, you are right. The third one is called margin account, but that is another topic for another day. What is a custodian trading account? Custodian trading account is be it when you trade Singapore or overseas share using custodian account, or the shares will be held under the securities firm. For example, if you trade DBS share using your custodian trading account, your DBS share will be held under the custodian of a securities firm. The pros of the custodian trading account is they offer a lower commission rate as shares are kept with the securities firm, and the cons will be monthly or quarterly custody fees, dividend handling fee, and other corporate action fee charged for some brokers, which the fees could add up over the long run. Coming to cash management trading account, when you trade your local shares using it, your local shares will be kept under the custody of SGX Central Depository, which we know as SGX CDP. So, in order for you to trade Singapore stocks under the cash management account, you need to set up a SGX CDP account. The CDP account will then be linked to your cash management trading account. What are the pros of the cash management trading account then? As local shares are under the custody of CDP, there will not be any custody fees involved. On top of that, the dividends paid by your local share can be direct credit to your bank account. The cons are commission rate across board will be standardized and is higher than the rates offered by the custodian account. Do take note that for overseas shares, will still be charged custody fees and other related fees, if any, be it whatever type of trading account you have. I know, that's an important question you want to ask. What if the securities firm up lorry? How? Firstly, on-boarded securities firm trading in exchanges are required to be regulated under MAS. Secondly, the client's money and assets are segregated from the securities firm account with proper record keeping and safeguards in place. Funds are held in trust accounts with regulated financial institutions such as banks. Thirdly, US securities under the custodian account are covered under the Securities Investor Protection Corporation, in short, SIPC. Lastly, for Singapore stocks are covered under Fidelity Fund, which compensates you in the event of an SGX member's defecation, insolvency, or liquidation. For more information, you can check out the links in my description box. So, which account should I open to trade in the Singapore stocks market? Custodian or cash management trading account? If you are looking mainly to invest in the Singapore stocks and holding it for long term, then the cash management trading account may be more suitable for you. If you are looking to trade more frequently, then the custodian account may be more applicable. As such, there are waiver of custody fee if you meet the trading conditions, in addition to the lower commission rates offered tied to different tiers. For long-time traders or investors who are out of the game for too long, currently the block lot size of SGX stocks are 100 shares instead of the past 1,000 shares. This means you can own an OCBC share with less than $1,500 compared to $15,000 in the past for a lot size. What ah? Do note that this is not a financial advice and do your own due diligence. This is also not any sponsored post, and above mentioned are just examples. With that, do like and subscribe to my channel. Adios.